Good morning, mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, January 15th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this lovely Wednesday. Please be seated. Celebrating birthdays today, we have Jimena Garcia Vera in 3rd grade and Alonzo Herrera in kinder. Happy birthday, you two, and make sure you pop by my office to get your birthday gift. Today, we're focusing on being relentless. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. We're also focusing on our transitions, making sure they are quiet and orderly, and we are getting to where we are going quickly. Our vocabulary word of the day is motto. It's a maxim adopted as an expression of one's guiding principle, a phrase or word expressing the spirit or purpose of a group. Some similar words are proverb or inscription. An example of this would be the shopper's motto is shop till you drop. There's also some really inspirational mottos that some people live by. So like the guiding principle, sometimes you'll even have a class motto. Make sure that you have your ID on you today, and remember today's Wednesday. You are going to your homeroom for your academic block. Take some time to look at your uniform. Homeroom teachers, please make sure that no students are wearing non-IDEA hoodies. We have the temperature perfectly right for today inside the school, so you will not need much more than a light jacket. And so if you have a non-IDEA jacket, put that one away and make sure that you have your IDEA jacket on today. Okay? As of right now, we are not going outside for recess because it is so wet. So teachers, please make plans for indoor recess. Today, 1st graders, you're taking your exam. Good luck. And we have not hit attendance this entire week. We are still bouncing around the 96th percentile, and we need to get to 97.5. Make sure that you're on time every day, that you're dressed appropriately, and that you're staying healthy by eating healthy foods and getting enough rest at night. The rest of this week looks pretty rainy, so make sure that you're planning accordingly for that. Our health fact of today is that although bodies stop growing, noses and ears will not ever stop growing. So, I know this sounds silly, but if you ever see like your grandma or grandpa's or really old people, their ears sometimes are pretty large, and so are their noses. And now we know why, because they never stop growing. But that doesn't mean you have to say anything to them, but you can just observe. All right, our attendance challenge. We have the attendance raffle on Friday. Also, if for some reason your parents are saying that you are not coming to school on Friday, make sure you let us know because we have some really fun things planned on Friday. So make sure that no matter what, you are here tomorrow and Friday. Trust me, I'll give you more updates tomorrow. And please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready? And Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a wonderful Wednesday, and remember that choice is all yours. Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you, and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe. I hope you all have an amazing Wednesday.